Most real estate photographers are leaving thousands on the table because they're using the wrong pricing model. You charge the same flat rate, whether it's a 1,000 square foot condo or 5,000 square foot mansion. Or you're stuck with photo count packages where clients book the wrong tier and you waste time on site deciding whether you should shoot that angle or not. I've shot over 10,000 homes and I'm telling you, the pricing structure that finally let me scale profitably is price per square foot. It's the only model that automatically boosts your average order value, removes creative limits, and makes quoting dead simple. So let's break it down why this works and how to build your system. Here's the trap with flat rates. You charge $200, whether it's a small starter home or a luxury listing. That 5,000 square foot house takes 3 times longer to shoot, edit, but you're making the same money. You're literally working for free for those bigger properties. Photo count tiers create a different problem. Clients book packages based on price, not property size. So they're booking your basic 20 photo package or a massive home, and now you're underpaid. Or they book your premium 50 photo package for a tiny condo, and you're scrambling on site trying to figure out what else can I shoot so I get 50 photos when 20 or 30 is enough to tell the story of a condo. The mental load kills your creativity. You're constantly thinking, should I shoot this bathroom angle or save it? Because I'm already at 18 photos and they only paid for 20. That's not how you deliver great work. Beyond that, counting photos on site is a waste of your time. You need to be creative, focused, and for me, it's nailing the shot. So pricing per square foot fixes all this because the property size dictates the scope automatically. Here's the core principle. Bigger home equals more work equals a higher price. It's that simple. The square footage tells you exactly how much effort the job requires. So your pricing scales with complexity. No guesswork for you. No confusion for the client. This is how you boost your average order value without changing anything else about your business. 1,200 square foot home might be $250. A 3,500 square foot home is $600. Same service, same quality, but you're getting paid for the actual work required. That's how you go from shooting 10 properties a week at low rates, shooting 5 properties at double your income. The best part is creative freedom. You're not counting photos anymore. The client is paying for the size and complexity of the job. So you deliver what showcases the property best. For me, I shoot the needs of the house. No more, no less. If a kitchen needs 4 angles to show it properly, I shoot 4 angles. If the master suite only needs 2, I shoot 2. No artificial limits. When I say this to clients, I say you're paying for the size of the property and I deliver what showcases it the best. Agents never push back on that because it just makes sense. They understand bigger homes cost more to photograph. It's logical. Now let me break down the 3-tier system that works. Under 1,000 square feet is your fast, efficient tier. These are condos, small starter homes. I offer photos and floor plans on this package. Quick turnaround, high volume potential. These shoots, for me, take 30 minutes on site, and I can crank out quite a few of these in a day, but not all listings are under 1,000 square feet. Bread and butter of every business is the 1,000 to 2,000 square foot range. This is where most of your bookings should land. My mid-tier package includes photos, floor plans, drone, and marketing materials. This is the sweet spot because it's the most common size of homes in the market. This is the package you want to focus around. That is going to be your order that you're going to sell the most of. Next, you have 2,000 square feet and up. This is where the price really goes up. You're going to notice it in the homes, the quality, the finishes, and the time it takes on site. It takes a little longer to do, depends on what they book. Photos, drone, takes more time to do photos in the house. Next, if you're doing a virtual tour, a floor plan, everything takes longer. Start thinking of not just photos and drone and floor plans. Now you want 3D floor plans, for instance, virtual twilight, video. You want to really push these and elevate these kind of homes. They're rare for not only the realtor, but for you. So elevating as luxury listings. So not only are you thinking about square footage when you're charging, but what is in that package to really boost your average order value. So here's the strategy. You structure your packages so clients naturally choose the top 2 tiers. Your basic package should cover small properties, but most of your homes in your market should fall into that middle to top tier. That way, you're consistently hitting higher invoice amounts without having to upsell every single time. The over delivery advantage is huge. When you're not counting photos photos, you can wow clients with extra coverage, extra photos. I'm not thinking numbers. I'm just going on my creative feeling, and that builds loyalty and referrals faster than anything else. Honestly, I don't get objections. Pricing is clear. It's tied to property value, and I over-deliver every time. Agents understand the logic, and they appreciate that I'm not nickel and diming them with add-ons for every shoot or charging for every photo. Well, where do you start? First, research local competition. Get your baselines. Then study the biggest and most successful companies statewide, and then go bigger. Go nationwide. These companies will show you what works at scale. Set your 3 square footage breakpoints. Also, think about building packages that push your clients to your top tiers. This model scales your business and removes pricing headaches. Research your market this week and build your tiers. Build systems that actually work for you. Make your workflow easier. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continue to give more value to you. Please leave comments. What's your success stories? What is your pain points? Trust me, this system works. I love it. It makes my job easy, and also my clients love it. See you in the next video.